So, perfect blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful sunshine. These are indeed conditions for the beautiful game. The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. So what a stage for the players to take to here ahead of such an important game. And so, the national anthems. Well, that was impressive. Match that. They appear to be shaping up in a 4-4-2 formation.
Reminders of a golden era in English football, I should add. And it continues to hold its place in the modern game. Playing a second striker runs the risk of being outnumbered in midfield, of course, so with the wider pairing and fullbacks, plenty of running has to be part of their play. And of course, the right service into the box.
Got things underway. Hoists it forward. Larin gets into a dangerous position. Can't get the better of his opposite number. Tries to get it forward quickly. Needed a better pass there.
Qatar have pushed both fullbacks into quite advanced positions here.
Yeah, that's interesting. So what are they attempting to do?
Well, it's a bold attempt, in my opinion, to occupy the opposition in a way they're not expecting.
Larin gets it away. He's making a real surge on the left. Larin. Oh, no, that's not the ball he wanted. Oh, good ball. Cross deflected behind for a corner. Just so calm under pressure.
Well, I think that defence there thought they were in good position and they had him where they wanted, yet somehow he's worked the scoring position when it didn't see him on. It's really crafty business, that.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Yeah, this is also a chance to see what happens to their level of concentration from here.
And it's played forward. And that is as far as they're going to go. Oh, good interception. Larin. And the counter is on. It's a very good battle there. Terrific to watch. Forward it goes. Defending of the desperate variety. Well, that's where he wants it. He's picked him out. He's gone for it! He has done it! Hot knife through butter. They have done it again.
Looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
So that's two now without reply.
We're looking at a very different game now. The command has been established.
And it's going to be the final action of the first half. What do you think we're up to after 45 minutes?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here?
Half of massive entertainment and excitement. A two-goal margin, yes. But all things still possible. And we're already back underway here. Loses his balance and loses the ball. Tries to get it forward quickly. Chipped through. Goalkeeper's ball. Two goals ahead and looking comfortable. Lifting it over. That's a decent ball. And it's Davis. Davis. Up to meet it! He can pounce on that. Is extended still further. Larin was quick to move in. Keeper's handling wasn't great.
Well, look, regardless of whether the keeper could have done better or not, Peter, that was all down to the excellent movement in getting into the right position to apply the final touch.
There's some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change.
Yeah, he's run himself into the ground, hasn't he? And it's good to see that the crowd appreciate his efforts, because he has put in a real honest shift.
3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll. That's offside. Yes, it is. Keeper's got good distance on that. Just brushed off the ball there. So 3-0 now, and surely there'll be no twists in the plot. Has he found his man? Keeper's ball. Over to the left. And time is up. Demolition, destruction, annihilation. They simply ran away with it. Your thoughts on today's game then, Jim?
Of course, we all love to watch the creative side of the game and goal scorers, but there's an art to good defence too, and their organisation and discipline has helped earn this win.
Well, that's it from us. Thanks very much, Jim. It's a very good day to you from both of us.